In this video, we'll take you on a fascinating tour of the human body, from the inside out. Our journey begins with an overview of the human body. The human body is a complex network of organs, tissues, and cells, working together to keep us alive. Let's start with the skeletal system. It provides structure and support. The human body has 206 bones, and they come in all shapes and sizes. Next up is the muscular system. Muscles allow us to move, from the simplest gestures to the most athletic feats. There are over 600 muscles in the human body. Now let's explore the cardiovascular system. The heart pumps blood through a network of arteries and veins, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every cell in the body. Breathing is essential, and that's the role of the respiratory system. The lungs take in oxygen and remove carbon dioxide, keeping us alive. Our body also needs fuel, which is where the digestive system comes in. It breaks down food and absorbs nutrients to keep us energized. The brain, a part of the nervous system, is like the body's control center. It sends signals to every part of the body through a complex network of neurons. Defending us against invaders is the immune system's job. It's our body's defense mechanism against illness. Our body's balance is maintained by the endocrine system. It releases hormones that regulate various functions. And there you have it. A whirlwind tour of the human body, from bones and muscles to the intricate systems that keep us healthy and alive. Remember, the human body is a marvel of nature, and understanding its intricacies can lead to a lifetime of discovery. Thanks for joining us on this journey within.